Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Gables Resident app is and how it's positioned. Gables Resident is a property management and resident services app developed by Yurdi Systems, designed to help residents manage apartment-related tasks from their mobile device, based on official App Store descriptions. It is positioned as a community-focused platform that connects residents with services, payments, and communication tools within their housing environment, according to official listings. Users can make rent payments directly through the app, including one-time payments and automated monthly payments to help avoid late fees, which are listed as core features. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. The app also allows users to submit maintenance requests, including adding photos and voice notes, and track the progress of those requests over time. Residents can reserve shared amenities such as lounges, meeting rooms, and pool areas directly through the app interface, as described in official sources. According to the developer, the app includes package tracking features that notify users when deliveries arrive or are picked up. It also offers a community bulletin board where residents can interact and share updates within their building or complex. The app is built on the RentCave platform, meaning its functionality is tied to properties that use the system for resident services and management. Some features may vary depending on the specific community and how the property management configures the platform, which is explicitly stated in official descriptions. Access to the app typically requires being a resident of a participating Gables community, so it may not function as a standalone consumer app. This app may be useful for residents who want a centralized way to manage payments, maintenance, and community services. For users interested in handling apartment-related tasks digitally within a managed community, this could be an option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.